To begin, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Go to the chat section from the bottom menu. You will then see some tabs. Normally all is selected. When you select unread, it will show all the messages which you haven't read. And when you select groups, it will show all the group chats. To create a new tab, tap on New. Select the person whom you want to add. Now tap Choose Emoji from the top. Select any of the emojis. You can use only a single emoji character for this shortcut. Then tap Create Shortcut. The shortcut has been created. Go back. Now if you select the emoji tab, it will show all the chats from those selected persons. Similar way you can create more shortcut tabs. This is a great way to see your favorite chats quickly. So in this way, you can use shortcut tabs on Snapchat.